I'm making 2 tempura bentos, one for me, and one for my husband. Thinly slice the carrots and onions to use in the tempura. Slice the sweet potatoes. Cut the noi seaweed in half. Cut the stems off the beans and cut them in half. Clean the shrimp. Remove the heads and peel off the shell, leaving the tail intact. Using a small paring knife, make a shallow slit along the back from head end to tail end. Pull gently. Make 3 to 4 tiny shallow cuts of the shrimp. Gently press it flat with your fingers. This keeps it from curling when fried, giving that long, elegant tempura shape. Let's make light and crispy tempura batter. In a bowl, add 1 egg and cup of plain flour. Cold is the secret. Use ice-cold water. Pour the cold water into the flour and stir just a few times with chopsticks or a fork. Add the vegetables to the batter and gently coat them, making sure they are evenly covered. Scoop a small handful of the mixture with chopsticks or a spoon, and gently drop it into hot oil. Fry until golden and crispy. Lightly coat the shrimp in potato starch, then dip in tempura flour and deep fry until golden brown. This shrimp leg tempura is the best. Sweet potatoes tempura. Flaky imitation crab perfect for tempura. Crispy tempura is ready. Which tempura bento would you choose, shrimp or kakiage? Let me know in the comments. Tempura isn't complete without tentsuyu, a light, savory dipping sauce. Recipe in description. Let's make a delicious okonomiyaki bento. First, finely shred the cabbage and slice the spring onion. In a bowl add flour, a pinch of salt, and a splash of water. Whisk until it's a thick, smooth batter. Crack eggs and fold in the cabbage and spring onion so everything's coated. Heat a little oil in a pan over medium heat. Spoon in the batter, shape into a neat round, and pat it down gently. Cook until the bottom is golden, about 3 to 4 minutes, then flip carefully. Cook the second side until golden and cooked through. Brush on rich okonomiyaki sauce. Mayo across the top. Then drag a toothpick through the lines to make that pretty herringbone pattern. Now assemble the bento. A fresh little salad, and the okonomiyaki. Add fluffy onigiri. Lunch is ready. Let's make teriyaki chicken. Season the chicken with salt and pepper. Heat oil in a frying pan over medium heat. Place chicken skin side down and cook until golden, about 4 to 5 minutes. Flip and cook the other side until almost done. One tablespoon sake or water if unavailable. 1 tablespoon sugar or honey for a milder taste. Add 2 tablespoons soy sauce. 2 tablespoons mirin. Reduce to medium-low, pour in the teriyaki sauce, and simmer until thick and glossy, turning chicken to coat. Slice the avocado in half lengthwise. Remove the pit. Carefully peel off the skin so you have 2 smooth halves. Place 1 half flat on the cutting board. Using a sharp knife, slice thinly across the avocado about 2 to 3 millimeters thick, pushing sideways so they spread into a curved fan shape. Make a thin omelette. and cut them in half. 2 crab sticks together. Wrap the crab sticks around a thin armlet. Roll it up in a rolling mat to secure it. If you don't have a rolling mat, use plastic wrap. Once it has cooled, remove the mat and cut it. Place spinach cut into leaf shapes on top. Place 4 black sesame seeds on top. You've created a very cute crab stick apple omelette. Let's pack lunchbox. This teriyaki sauce goes really well with rice and chicken. Done? Let's make Tonkatsu Bento. Tonkatsu is a Japanese-style breaded pork cutlet. Juicy pork coated in light, crispy panko breadcrumbs, fried until golden, and served with a sweet savoury sauce. Fry tonkatsu until golden. You can use air fryer if you like. Make halloumi tamagoyaki. You can transform an ordinary orange into cute with just a few simple cuts. Cut the orange into eighths. Peel the skin with knife and make 3 diagonal cuts in the skin. Then, insert the slice into the flesh and you'll have a cute orange cut. Slice into 1.5 to 2 cm strips with a sharp knife. Tonkatsu sauce is the best, but you can make 2 tablespoons ketchup, 1 tablespoon Worcestershire, 1 teaspoon soy sauce. Sprinkle sesame seed. Done? The chicken marinate with soy sauce, sake, garlic, ginger, and a touch of sugar. Coat each piece with potato starch and oil. Into the air fryer 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes, flipping halfway. Meanwhile, make shredded carrots and stir with soy sauce and sesame oil. Make mashed potatoes mix with sriracha mayo. Make Karaage dipping sauce. Let's pack the Karaage lunchbox. Place 1 potato in the middle of 1 spoon. Use the second spoon to press down gently, it becomes a neat oval. Add vegetables. Dip the Karaage sauce, then lunch is ready. Thanks for watching. Like, comment your fave bento, and subscribe for more. See you next time. Happy cooking!